Hello everyone, welcome back to Learner's Page. This side Chandrasekhar. In this video tutorial, we are going to explain cluster stacked bar chart in an Excel. So, in way of implementing stacked bar chart is very simple. You just need to select the data and click on Insert and click Stacked Bar Chart. But in this tutorial, the difference is in this stack bar chart, we are displaying the numbers and the stacks in a blocked manner. So let us see how to implement this. So let's create a stacked bar chart for Q1, Q2, Q4. So for this purpose, I need to select this data. So I am selecting the data for Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and including the total as well. So I'm totally selecting this area. So before selecting the area, make sure that give one row difference between year 2019 and 20 and the similarly as for the 20 and 21. Okay, once you arrange the data in this manner, just select that a range. Okay, just select that range and click on Insert Stacked Bar Chart. Okay, so this is done, and once this is done, now the columns had a gap difference, right? So make sure that decrease this gap. So how we will decrease this gap means, so simply by click on Format Data Series. So you will find here the gap width. So make sure to decrease this gap width to the 0%. So once we decrease, it appears like this. Okay, and then after we need to add data labels. Let's add data labels. After adding the data labels, still we need to draw a blocks. So for this one, again click and Format Data Series, and you will find here solid line, right? So click on solid line, make it this one as a black color, and the width of the points here increase to 1.5 or 2, depends upon your requirement. I am making this as 1.5 width. Okay, so once we did it, see, this is the data will appears in the blocks, and we need to repeat this for rest Q1, Q2, Q4 as well. So select these blocks and click on solid line, and then after increase these points to 1.5. Now change the click on Format Axis and change the maximum point. So the maximum point now I am giving here is like 75,000. Okay, so still few had more than 75,000, I think. So let us increase this. Minimum is 0, and maximum is okay. Maximum is, let it be like 1 lakh or else. So we better to keep 1,50,000. Okay, just 1,50,000. Okay, so now the chart appears better than before. And again click on the data and format plot area, format data series, and now you find here like numbers edit 1 2 3 4, and now change this one and select this area. Okay, so now we get the exact data, like see here India, China and US between 2019 and then after 2020 and 2021. Okay, so this thing we need to adjust how it is displaying, and if everything displaying fine like that, we need to check this thing. Okay, so now everything is displaying proper, and then after again format access, I want to decrease the maximum value somewhat. Okay, and now the chart title, so click on the chart title and you just click on the chart title and give the name cluster stacked bar chart. And you can, if you wish to remove this grid line, you can remove. Just click on these lines and then after click delete. Previously what we did, we apply the solid line on the data labels, so make it no lines, and apply this, so only for the blocks apply the solid line. Okay, so the value here which displaying, this is a grand total, right? So what we need to do is we need to disable this grand total. How we can do this thing means fill with no fill, that means no color will be displayed, and display the lines, disable the lines also. Again format data series and apply no line. Okay, and now these numbers will come, so click on the format data series and keep this data series values as a base. Okay, now it will shows the q1 q2 q3 q4 sum of the total. Okay, and now so finally friends, this is how we get this chart. So it's very easy, and we can now show the clustered blocks in a slacked bar chart. This chart will show us very informative way, and if you want to modify, see some zeros are there, so how to remove these zeros, just click on this zero and delete 2-3 times, not one time. Okay, it will disappear. See, you need to delete 2-3 times. Okay, oh my god, here the numbers also. Select this individual zero and delete it 2-3 times, it will disappear. It's not a big deal. And now you can delete this vertical axis also. Why? Because numbers are already displaying. Okay friends, this is the one of the easiest way that the cluster stack bar chart we can build in an Excel. Hope you all understand this video tutorial. So please subscribe learners page friends, and share this video to your friends. Thank you all. Thanks for watching this video.